Yo guys, what's up? It's Alex from GMGStudio. Well, you finished your first mobile game and you probably ask yourself, and now? What should I do? This is what we asked ourselves as well. And I will tell you what we did. And if you didn't finish your first mobile game, we made a whole playlist on how to develop, release and monetize your first mobile game. I will link it for you in the description. It's awesome and totally worth your time. Number 1. Reflect. This is one of the most important things you have to do, and many people underestimate its impact. Ask yourself what went well and what wasn't good at all. There's one question I always ask myself at work or whatever I do, and the question is, did I enjoy it? If I didn't like it, I'll quit doing it. But I think most of you enjoyed making and releasing your first mobile game, didn't you? Number 2. Code feeling. So now after some time passed, do you still understand your code and how is the feeling? Is it easy to read? Do you like the file structure? Do you have any idea on how to improve it? This is pretty much the same thing as reflection, but it's more on the code base. And I think this is pretty important. Number 3. Did you achieve your goals? This is something that hit us pretty hard, to be honest. When we made our first mobile game, Punjump, we thought with this great game we'll go to the moon. But well, it didn't. At least for now. By the way, did you download it already? It's free. Well, we thought it will be pretty easy to achieve 1000 downloads or more in the first few weeks. But it didn't work out, more like 100, but it's okay. We make mistakes to learn from them. We made a whole video about this topic and I will link it for you in the description. I think it's a pretty interesting topic. It's about marketing your mobile games and I think the video is great, so feel free to watch it. Number 4. Ask for feedback. If you have any friends who are experienced with Unity or game development, ask them to review your code. This will help you to learn so many things. But at least for me, the more important thing is to ask your players for feedback. Or let your friends play your game and observe them. Is there anything they don't understand? I realized that we are missing an interactive tutorial. This would help so many players to understand the game immediately. I just watched the people play the game and I noticed they didn't understand it immediately, so this for me indicates that we are missing an interactive tutorial. Number 5. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Well, we will show you how to make awesome games from scratch, show you awesome code and everything for free. So hit the subscribe button, it's free. Well, number 5 doesn't count, does it? Here's the real number 5. But feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will make awesome content for you. And if you have any idea or any topic that interests you, just let us know in the comments. We will try to make a video about it. So, number 5, Unity packages. Unity packages? What do you mean? Well, Unity packages are an awesome approach for code sharing. And guys, code sharing is one of the coolest things you can do. And this will make it so much easier to make your next game. And I think all of you are willing to make another game, don't you? Our game over pop-up with the high score logic is a great example. Instead of developing the same pop-up again and again, you can make your own Git repository and push the game over pop-up as package to Git. And you can just use it in your next game. Sounds great, doesn't it? Don't worry, we will show you how to do it in one of our next videos. Guys, I hope the video was helpful.
Like the video if you liked the video, dislike the video if you disliked the video, subscribe if you want to be notified on our future content. We are also on Instagram and Facebook. Feel free to follow us there as well. And have a great day. Start creating, stop consuming.